Hello, hello, and welcome to another unbagging video. In this video, we are really excited to do this one because it is one of our most favorite events all year long. It's our NAHA swag bag. So NAHA is definitely one of our favorite events, and it's the PBA North American Hairstyling Awards. Super awesome bag. Our favorite thing about this is the full-size products that come inside, so we are always really stoked to get a NAHA swag bag. So we're gonna jump right into it, show you some really good stuff, and there's some things that we've never gotten to try before. So I am really excited to get my hands on some new brands that I haven't ever personally tried. So that's really cool too. And if you guys have tried any of these brands, make sure to comment below. Let us know what you love, what you like, and maybe some other things in those brands that we should also give it a try. So I'm just gonna reach right in and grab the first thing that comes out, which is a wet brush. So super fun. I love wet brush. I use their products not only in the salon and on my clients, but I also send these to my nieces and nephews because they actually are super awesome and really work. So this one is the Wet Brush Pro Epic Professional Quick Dry. It says the faster way to dry your hair. It's a vented design, allows for faster airflow, speeding drying time. So big giant brush, lots of airflow, good wet brush bristles that comb right through those wet locks, and it's a fun blue color. So that's super awesome. The next thing is a rose gold 12 eyeshadow palette from Ulta Beauty, which this is really exciting. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. It has a nice little cover on it so nothing's gonna fall out. Comes with 12 beautiful colors and a brush, which is always a huge perk because I love trying new brushes that come in palettes, because I have found some of my most favorite ever makeup brushes inside of palettes that I have bought, and I actually take them out and I use them on everything. So this is really exciting to try. So I'm super stoked for a new makeup palette. I obviously love doing like rose golds and things like that, so super perfect to grab in a swag bag. Also really unexpected, which was really actually super nice and exciting. All right, let's see. Okay. Let's talk about Living Proof for a second. I love Living Proof. I love all of their products. I love what this company stands for. I love everything that they come out with, especially the new one that they have. So this is the Living Proof Body Builder Customizable Body and Hold. This is so fun because there's actually, if you twist the nozzle, you can actually add more body or less body to it. I haven't actually tried this yet. I've been hanging on to it, and I feel like I'm gonna end up hoarding it, which I shouldn't, because I love Living Proof products, and so I want to give it a try. But it's a bodybuilding hairspray. So I do love a hairspray. I tend to lean more towards like texture sprays and things like that because of the way that I like my curls to sit. But I snuck backstage to the Living Proof prep room at NAHA, and we met with a couple of the Living Proof hair educators and designers, and they were all using this and they were showing us, and it's not, I feel like it's not your typical hairspray. It doesn't have that like super hairspray feel, and it was really awesome watching them, like what a little bit would do, and if they turn the nozzle, what a little bit more can do, and how it really added some like body and texture to the hair. So I'm really excited to actually give this a try. And again, I love everything Living Proof has to offer. So excited for this one. And speaking of Living Proof, this did not actually come in my swag bag. This, I happen to, I don't like the word steal, but I may have taken this from the backstage prep room. When we were back there, there were a whole bunch of them, and we were sitting there chit-chatting and talking, and I kept telling them how much I absolutely love my Living Proof dry shampoo. And I love a good dry shampoo, but I love this dry shampoo. I love it. I love it so much. And I was all out of it. And so we were sitting there talking about it, and I happened to pick it up, and we were talking and talking, and I was just like, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Like, if you guys are cool with that, I'm gonna slip this into my bag. And you may have saw on our stories on Instagram of me kind of pretending to steal it. Well, I did. Sorry, Living Proof. Thanks for the dry shampoo. I love it so much. So I got myself an extra little dry shampoo on this trip. So there's that. If anyone is looking for a new dry shampoo, give Living Proof a try because it's awesome. Also read the directions, because a lot of people will complain that Living Proof dry shampoo is too powdery and white. Read the instructions on the back, people. It'll explain everything, and it's perfect. It's not too powdery, it's not too white. It does the job, and it's amazing. So there's that. All right, so next up in the bag is a product by Beverly Hills. Sorry, my light is so bright, you guys probably can't see that. But it is the Lift Up Volumizing Spray Foam. So it's a spray mousse volumizer. And it says, this luxurious spray-on foam has been formulated to increase volume and definition to all hair textures. Lift Up utilizes state-of-the-art resins and dispensing systems to create volume, lasting hold, fullness, and incredible shine. So this will be really fun. I have actually never personally used anything by Beverly Hills, and I see them everywhere. We always get them in little swag bags, but people tend to steal them from me. So I am actually glad that I have my own to try, because I've heard really good things about this brand and this company. So excited to give this a try. And I actually believe that there is some more Beverly Hills. Let me check. I could be totally a liar, which I actually might be. Nope, I'm not actually. So there is another Beverly Hills product in here. It is the Platinum Dry Clean Dry Spray Shampoo. This is like the best day ever. I love a dry shampoo, so this will be awesome to try. It says, formulated with tea tree, jojoba, rosemary, and lavender extracts, this unique formula cleanses dry hair by absorbing oils while healing and moisturizing the scalp to create a fresh second day look. So perfect, because I love a dry shampoo. So this will be really fun to try. It's a nice little bottle. Hopefully this is a carry-on size. Yep, just makes it. So this is great, because I'll add this into my travel bag and it'll be awesome. So another fun dry shampoo to give a try. All right, next up, one of the companies that we love and adore, also because of their packaging, so pretty, Amica. You have to love Amica, not only for their like amazing designs, but everything smells so damn good. So I am really excited to get this. So we got the Amica Burst Your Brass Violet Leave-In Treatment Foam. So I'm a redhead. I like being brassy right now, currently, in my color, but this will be really fun. My mom is a blonde, and she loves being blonde, and she is that blonde that's like, I see red, I see yellow, I see every color that I shouldn't see in my blonde hair. So I'm gonna give this to my mom to try, and hopefully we will see how good this works, because my mom is a very picky blonde. So yay, mom has a new product. Next up, Kevin Murphy. You have to love Kevin Murphy, not only for their like really nice clean packaging, but it's such a good little brand. Great for retail in your salons, especially if you're in a Sola, because this brand has an amazing price point. So, and they also have an amazing product, which is also a huge deal. They are also cruelty free and have the little guy on there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there you go. Cruelty free, which I always love. So we got the Kevin Murphy bedroom hair flexible texturizing hairspray. So that is really fun. I don't know why I'm trying to smell a hairspray, but I figured I'd give it a try. So that'll be really nice to give a try. I have only gotten to try a handful of Kevin Murphy products, but I like them. I like all of them. They smell good, they work good, great product. So if you guys haven't given it a try, I would suggest trying them out. All right, let's see. Couple more things in here. We have something from Redken. So we have the Bleach Innovation Flash Lift Bonder inside, up to 8 levels of lift, no additive needed. All in one bonder in lightening powder. So that is really fun. Add that in there and give that a try, all you Redken people. And last but not least, we have a cute little bag. It could be a makeup bag or a brush bag or a comb bag, or might not be big enough for your combs, but you can put some tools in there, from InStyle, the Salon by InStyle, JCPenney's. Super cute, super fun. Definitely nice little thing to add to the collection. All right, last but not least, I always have to point out the tribute book. We love hanging on to these, and Erin actually has all of the tribute books for the last so many years. She has so many of them. But the reason that we love hanging on to the tribute books is because I always like to show this to my mom. The judging page. All of your wonderful NAHA judges listed right here on the 3rd page of the tribute book. And oh look, there's my name right up there. And it's so much fun because my name is listed with all of these really incredible hairdressers like Damian Carney and Tabitha Coffey and Sam Villa and Christopher Dove and Steve Elias and Eric Fisher and all of the amazing people. And who is here listed with them? Annie Lurwell. That is me. So that's always really exciting. I love hanging on to my tribute books because it makes me feel so happy and so honored to get to be a part of the judging panel for NAHA, which is one of the things I look forward to most every year, is getting to look at everyone's collections and judging them. So, but I love seeing all the hard work and the effort and the detail and the time and the brilliance that goes into all of these incredible collections. And so every year I literally am on the edge of my seat waiting for my NAHA email that I get to judge again. And so I love hanging on to the judging books. And if you guys do not have tribute books, I suggest grabbing them when you are at NAHA, because not only do they have the list of all of your amazing judges, but they also have the pictures of all of the amazing collections and the hard work and the effort that goes into this. NAHA is not an easy thing, you guys, and the beautiful collections and everything that go into it, and the time and the effort and the money and the skill and the education and everything else. Pick up your tribute journal because they're wonderful to look at and they're full of inspiration and beauty. Amazing, powerful females are in this book. So make sure you get your tribute journal. And thank you for watching our unbagging video of our NAHA bag. So we will see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.